I got a package in the mail and I'm pretty sure it's from YouTube Shorts. So let's open it up. I'm actually very nervous because I've never received anything from anything about adulting. Okay, ready? Cue the music. Ooh, something fell out.
What does it say?
It says, YouTube Shorts, hi creator, thank you so much for all your hard work on YouTube Shorts. Here's to celebrating you. Show us how you light up your shorts and share what lights you up on shorts. And then tag YouTube. So it says, light up your new year with YouTube Shorts. Oh my. It's a light. That's the YouTube Shorts symbol.
Let me see.
This is so cool. Look at that. That's so cool. It's got the plug and everything.
Plug it in.
Okay, we ready?
Yep.
Yeah. It's so cool. This is so cool. Thanks, YouTube. YouTube Shorts. This is great. Thanks. I just also wanted to say thank you to my subscribers and all the people who have ever seen my face on the YouTube Shorts or YouTube videos. This has been an incredible journey. I've done it for like 2 years now, and the shorts came out like a year or so ago, so this is pretty cool too. Thank you.